Welcome to another video by Tecnacion, where our mission is to simplify the use of technology. In this video, we will be discussing our live chat feature. Let's get started. Live chat is a feature available on every computer which is managed by our managed IT services. This feature allows the user to maintain a persistent conversation with a support rep. The conversation can be initiated by either the support rep or the user. In order to initiate a chat session with a support rep, you must first locate the Tecnacion tray icon towards the bottom right of your desktop. Click on the icon and then select Chat. Once the chat window appears, you can start typing your message in the area towards the bottom of the chat window. To send your message, simply press the Enter key on your keyboard or press Send button to the right of the message you just typed. When the support rep receives your message, they will already have the detailed information about the computer from which the message came from. As you send and receive messages from the support rep, a history of the messages will be displayed in the chat window. You can minimize and close the chat window and the chat conversation will still be present. The chat conversation will stay present even after a computer restart. If the chat window is closed, or if the support rep initiates a chat, you will receive a notification on the bottom right of your desktop. Simply click anywhere on the notification in order to bring up the chat window. And that is all there is to chatting with support reps. This is just another way we are working to simplify technology for you.